Hello everyone, today we are going to study Young's double slit experiment. So we have taken a screen and two slits S1 and S2. Now what is we are studying conditions for constructive and destructive interference. Constructive interference means two waves which coincide, and destructive means two waves which do not coincide. For example, for the constructive one, let me draw a graph. Let it be that is a y1, dotted one is a y2. So the resulting will be there like this, y1 plus y2. And for destructive, this is a wave y1, this is a wave y2. The crest was meeting with this crest, their crest is meeting with the trough. So this is destructive. Now let us study the constructive and destructive interference conditions. So the condition is that consider the two waves of distance y1 and y2. So y1 will be a1 sine omega t, and y2 will be at some angle a2 sine omega t plus phi. Some phi angle is taken. Now superposition principle says that according to the principle of superposition, what is happening here, y equals to y1 plus y2. So y is a1 a2 sine omega t plus phi, and we have identity of sine a plus b, that is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. So y equals to a1 plus a2 cos theta. Now we are taking this a1 plus a2 cos phi equals to, for simplification only, okay, this step is not mandatory, let it be r cos theta and a2 sin phi. We are removing the phi factor, that is r sin theta. So put in this equation 1. So the equation will become y equals to r cos theta sin omega t plus r sin theta cos omega t. Okay, so this is the equation number 4. Now again, this is the identity of a plus b, then r cos r sin omega t plus theta. So y is equal to this, make it the equation number star, equation number 2. Okay, now square and add the 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is this one. Okay, this is 4. Now we will square and add 2 and 3. So what will become, r square cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to a1 square plus a2 square sin square phi plus cos square phi plus 2a1 a2 cos phi. what ये है आपकी ये वाली साइड, एंड और जिससे पहले हमने किया आर स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, ये आपकी ये वाली साइड थी ऊपर. ठीक है, अब हमने स्क्वायरिंग कर दी है, अब हम आर स्क्वायर की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. ये तो 1 ही हो गया, तो a1 स्क्वायर प्लस a2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2a1 a2 कॉस फाई. ठीक है, ये आपकी फाइनल इक्वेशन. अब आई आपका एम्पलीट्यूड के स्क्वायर के इक्वल होता है, और ये आपके आर स्क्वायर के इक्वल भी है. तो जो I1 है A1 स्क्वायर के इक्वल हो गया, I2 आपका A2 स्क्वायर के इक्वल हो गया। तो अगर यहीं पे मैं मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम इंटेंसिटी की बात करूं तो क्या आ जाएगी? मैक्सिमम इंटेंसिटी के लिए cos फाई विल बी 1 और इसके लिए cos फाई विल बी -1। तो पुट करेंगे आई मैक्स इक्वल्स टू A1 के लिए A2 स्क्वायर, ऐसे ही रहेगा A1 स्क्वायर प्लस A2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2A1 A2। सो आई मैक्स इक्वल्स टू A2 होल स्क्वायर। Again similarly I minus A1 square plus A2 square minus 2A1 A2, and I minimum will be A1 minus A2 whole square, taking the ratios of both max divided by min. So the ratio comes A1 plus A2 square divided by A1 minus A2 square. The identity here comes. Now general formula for I will be, I is A1 and A2 all okay. I can write this an A1 square as I1 plus I2 plus 2 under root of I1 under root of I2 cos phi, and I am taking I1 I2 equals to I0. So I becomes 2I0 plus 2I0 square cos phi. It becomes 4I0, 2I0 1 plus cos phi. Identity of 1 plus cos phi is 2 cos square phi by 2. So general intensity is 4I0 cos square phi by 2. Now if I go for relation between phase and path difference, it will be path difference is equals to lambda by 2 pi naught of phase difference. So path difference is taken as delta x lambda by 2y into phi, and if it is a constructive one, then the cos phi will go as 1, then phi could be 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, even 1, means phi could be 2 n pi. Okay, so n will be lambda of 2 pi, 2 n pi, will n lambda. So x equals to n lambda for constructive one, and similarly for the destructive one, phi will be 2n plus 1 pi. So n could be 1, 2, 3 and odd number, so only 0 could be there. So x equals to n lambda by 2 pi into 2n plus 1 by pi, and it will be 2n minus 1 by pi. If it is 2n minus 1 pi, then it could be 1, 2, 3, 4 something, anything. So let us take here minus or plus. We will take both cases. So x will be lambda by 2 pi 2 10 2n minus 1, then it will be 2n plus 1.